If you're planning to pour a 20 by 20 concrete slab in Chandler, here's how concrete contractors usually calculate the cost. First, they measure the total square footage, 400 square feet. Then they consider the slab thickness, typically around 4 inches. Material costs like ready-mix concrete, rebar, and gravel are factored in, along with labor, site prep, and equipment fees. Decorative finishes or increased thickness can raise the total cost. For a reliable estimate, contact Paradise Hardscapes, Pavers and Turf, Chandler, located at 3950 West Chandler Boulevard, Chandler, Arizona, 85226. Call 480-750-4345. Email info@paradisepaversandturf.com or visit paradisepaversandturf.com/Chandler today.